Hello guys and welcome to my channel and thank you watching this video. Today I want to show you a quick tips in SolidWorks about orientation view. How we can change your view easily. As you see here, my orientation view is not correct. So I want to change it to the correct way. As also, if I go here and put front is not correct and the angle is also wrong. I want to rotate it 180 degree and put it straight with me, and I want the front view as you see here. So how can I do that? Yes, it's easy. First, I just pick up this surface and that surface and click on my space bar once. Here I click on the normal tool and you click on somewhere inside the page and go out, and the third you click on your space bar one more time. Here coming a new option for you, and you go to next to new view to update standard view and click on this, and as you see here this area is asking you select a standard view you would like to assign the current view to, and I wish my front view should be like that, so I click on this middle one, front view. Here also asking you that do you want to make these changes. I click yes. So go out, and now as you see here I changed the wrong orientation view to correct. So as you see is front view and it is back view. Very easy. So the second thing I want to show you is the use of shortcut to rotating views. If you hold your finger on the control and press 1, this is going to front view. Hold control and press 2, it's gonna be back view. Press on 3, left view. 4, right view. 5, top view. 6, bottom view. 7, isometric, and finally 8, normal 2. Okay guys, if we have a rounded shape, maybe it's gonna be a little bit more difficult, but this one is also easy. Okay, how we can fix it? So as you see, when I go in my model and click on front view, it doesn't show the correct side of view to me. So how can I rotate this one 90 degree? Yes, first of all I want to go to all my plan and turn it on to show. The second, you just rotate your model and okay. Next, press on my spacebar and click on the normal tool. Next, you press on your spacebar one more time and click on update standard view. Next, you pick up the view you wish. In this case I like that one, so I click on front view, and here asking you do you want to make this change. I click yes and go out, turn off the plan, And as you see now, my view look correct side, and all other view also working as should be. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you a little bit about orientation view.